નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Student, today we are going to start Standard 6 Social Science, Chapter number 14, Unity in Diversity. Now our next topic is Unity in Diversity. So, Indian culture is one of the ancient means having a long duration. People of our country differ means different from one another in many ways. People of our country is different. How many ways we can see? Which type of? There are many ways such as attire. Attire means we already learned clothes, food, residence, religions, languages, customs, festival, etc. But there is emotional unity. Unity in diversity is a unique feature of our country. So in short we can say Indian culture is very ancient, means having a long time duration, but it is there are many differences in religion, food, attire, everything is different, but there is a unity in our diversity. People of different religions, languages and caste love and honor their country. They have a feeling of sacrifice. Sacrifice means to give away. And cooperation of their nation is called national unity. What is national unity? National unity means we are from different state, our language is different, our food is different, but although in spite of all these differences, we have one thing is common. It is love and honor for our country. That one make and also sacrifice means to give away for our country, and also cooperation means to help each other. That one for our nation. This one is called unity of our national. Development in economic, social, industries field occurs means happen because of national unity. People maintain peace. Peace means shanti, security and prosperity. Prosperity means good fortune in spite of the diversity. That's why Dr. Radhakrishnan started that if we want to survive as a nation, we must accept need of national unity. During the freedom movement, our countrymen made the vision of unity possible through the feeling of patriotism, means love for our country, means Deshbhakti, Rashtraprem, that one is sacrifice. Unity in diversity is a special feature of our country. In short, development of the economic, social and industrial field, it is happened because, why it is happened? Because of our unity. And people maintain peacefully, security and prosperity means good fortune in spite of diversities, and that's why Dr. Radhakrishnan said that if we want to survive as a nation, we must accept. What we have to accept means to accept need of national unity. During the freedom movement, our countrymen means many people died for our country and they sacrificed their lives for our country, and possible through the feeling of patriotism and sacrifice. Unity in diversity is a special feature of our country. Different castes, religions, customs, culture, languages, etc. are integrated. Integrated means entire in India. Since India has a diverse means various, it has been culture, it has been able to create a variety in culture. India has followed the principle of Vasudev Kutumbakam, means the whole world is a family. So different castes in India, we have many people living in India and different castes. Religions are different, our food is different, our attire is different and our custom is different. All these are entire in India. So since India have a diverse means varieties, various, it has been able to create variety in our culture. So that's why they follow the principle of Vasudev. Vasudeva Kutumbakam means the whole world is a family. India, in true sense, spread the feeling of religions, tolerance and equality in the world. India is a secular country. Unity in diversity is a unique feature of Indian cultures. In our country, we say combination of various religions, caste, languages and festivals. People of India live a life of coexistence. Indian people have developed and conserved this unique diversity. India in true sense spread the feeling of religious tolerance means stamina and equality in the world. India is a secular country and unity in diversity is a unique feature of Indian culture. And we see combination. What is combination to make together? That one is religious, caste, languages and festival. People of India live in coexistence means peacefully. Coexistence means living peacefully. Or means peacefully. Now our topic is efforts for diversity and equality. Various types of diversity are seen in our country because our country is very big and many people living in there and there have also many religions, caste. So we can see many diversity, many differences in our country. Discrimination. Discrimination means recognizing the good or bad thing. So discrimination is seen due to this diversity. So our country is very big and due to discrimination we can see very varieties in our country. Discrimination, where we can see discrimination, we can see in rich and poor, male and female, literate, illiterate. Literate means educated, uneducated. Urban, rural. Urban means city area and rural means villages. And caste are seen in our country. In the ancient time, social structure was occupation based on Varna system. There are 4 Varnas. First one Brahmins, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Sudra are there. And due to these many groups remained backward socially and economically. Hence, difference based on caste come into existence. Existence means peacefully. Most of the literate people earn more to live. Their standard is a high. Means who have money, their standard, their living life is very brilliant, very excellent. So their living is high. And they maintain reputed. Reputed means very famous in society. So who have much money, they are very reputed and they have many money. So they are also very different in society. So they have very giving respect. So example we know everybody that Dhirubhai Ambani, very reputed company, and also very reputed person, and also we know all actors, actresses. So they are also very reputed person. So their lifestyle is very high. Same thing, different based on literate and illiterate, means educated and uneducated. Can also see. Most of the people in India are living in rural area, means most of the people living in rural means villages. Urban people are quite less compared to rural people due to the major differences in their living standard. Difference have arisen. Arisen means to come out and along rural and urban people. So village people, their thoughts, their speaking languages are different, and who are living in city area, their speaking, thoughts, education is also differences. We can see their differences in that. And since right to equality is given in our constitution, after independence, untouchability is removed. Untouchability means to not to touch, that one was also removed. Now the right to equality is granted to everybody. So all the people, get equal opportunity, justice and status. So for the equality benefit is that, so giving all our person is equal, so that they get all equality, opportunity, justice and status. RTE has given the right to free and compulsory education to children. So everybody has got an opportunity of primary education. So a person who have no money, so who cannot send their children for higher study or for education, they are very poor. So for RTE, from the RTE, they gave the free and compulsory education. Who are going to school, so they pay the fees. So that one, for that, what happened? Opportunity of primary education. So they get the chance of education. Government has enhanced the educational and infrastructure facility. Like what type of facility government gave? Village road, primary health center, electricity, drinking water. All these facilities are given by the government. For the community development, equal opportunity are granted to women according to the constitutional provisions, so that their honor and respect can be maintained. And ladies, women are also get all the benefits, and so that one also constitution giving this all equality. So women also come out and they also give the honor and respect. Thank you for joining us.